Hey there! Thank you for tuning into today's review, where we'll be taking a look at the amazing 95% new original Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 13 Pro. These phones are absolutely top of the line, and you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own one for yourself. With incredible features like 5G capability, 128G/256G/512G/1 TB ROM, genuine OLED display, 12MP camera, and Face ID unlock, these phones are truly in a league of their own. The sleek design and cutting-edge technology make them a must-have for anyone who values quality and performance. And the best part? These phones are 95% new, meaning they are in pristine condition and come at an unbeatable price. Whether you're in need of an upgrade or simply want to experience the best that Apple has to offer, the iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 13 Pro are the perfect choice. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your hands on one of these incredible phones today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more reviews and deals on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!